And then thereafter go to actions. You know this, right? Already. Create an action set, add an event, click. What is the event? Click event. On click of this button, we would like to refresh section and call the activity. What is the activity I need to call? Customer search activity. Look at here. So once we call customer search activity, immediately it is prompting for the value of the ID, which is a parameter defined on customer search activity. Cheppandi. What should I pass here? The value entered in UI. What is that? Exactly the clipboard structure of what is there, you need to tell me. Exact clipboard structure. So what you enter in UI, what is the clipboard structure for that? Dot customer search dot customer ID. Yeah, py workpage dot customer search dot customer ID. You need not to mention py workpage in the sections and all. Okay, it will automatically take it at runtime. I am just copying the same here. Okay, save, submit. I'm sorry. Submit. Save, done. Completed. So this is what about creating UI and activity and calling that. Next, finally, what we should do? Create flow action. How to create flow action? You know already. Right click, process, flow action. This is customer hiding default buttons. How to hide? Go to action tab. This will be asked in interviews. Scroll down. Here you have hide default action section buttons. It is going to hide the buttons. Choose about. You need to remember this option forever. Okay. We are not as of now. Okay. In future it will be part of. As of now, we do not want to make customer search part of regular flow. Okay, let's create a new flow for this. Okay, so you know how to create a flow, right?
Yes, process flow.
You need to guide me with all the options that I have to choose in order to run this flow. This is customer సేవ్ చేశానా? You know how to run flow and all. Cust 001 ఉందా? Okay. Cust 002. Cust 009. What should happen this time? This should not be visible. Done anyhow. Here we go. You search for something which is there, it is displaying. Otherwise, see, in case, okay, let me explain you further what we need to do. So I have executed to get the customer search screen. When the screen is displayed, you are not getting buttons. That's okay. We have hidden all the buttons. See here. When the screen is loading, only customer ID field plus button should get loaded. But this should not be visible. On the initial load, the bottom one should not be visible. Only ID plus search. That's it. After you perform a search, if it is found, then this should be visible. If the customer is not found, then this should be invisible. There should be one message that should be displayed saying that customer ID so and so is not there in the database or not found. That's the second part of the requirement. Make sense, everyone? Clear? For this to implement in the section, what are the modifications we need to do? Tell me the key point. We need to
add when condition.
When condition for visibility purpose. What is the condition related property? On which property basis you are going to create a condition? That is the main thing here. Okay, I will explain you that. So for this to understand and proceed to work on further, we need to learn the subject related to when conditions in activities, and there is another thing called step status. These are the two subject lines we need to learn. Okay, so first let me go ahead and talk about, we have 8 more minutes, right?